Hey guys, it's Dan Vandenberg here from WPE Landscape Equipment. We're just doing a walk around today on the Ventrac SSV Sidewalk Machine. This is a great little machine that's built off of a 35-inch platform, so it can fit through most gates if necessary. As you can see on this particular unit, we've got it set up with a 42-inch blade, but there are a number of different attachments that you can use on this machine. You can buy a blade that's 54 inches wide. We can also put a broom on the front. You can also get a V-blade for this machine and a snowblower attachment. The machine is also capable of a salt spreader, and it's a drop salter that fits right underneath the machine between the two wheels and allows you to salt the sidewalk after you've finished plowing. So it's actually a really good one application system. The Ventrac SSV runs off an 18 horsepower Kawasaki engine. You'll notice that it's built very sturdy. It has four-wheel drive. So it's able to really push snow in large heaps and wonderful amounts of snow. Shoot. Notice that the SSV has two side panels. This is for easy access for maintenance. So it opens up on the side here, allows you to get all your hoses. Also allows you easy access to oil for checking for oil, but also for changing the oil filter. Of course, at WPE, we can handle all that maintenance for you. But if you choose to do your own, there's easy access on either side. If we come around to this side, you'll see there's also another panel. When we open up this panel, it allows you access to the battery compartment and also to the additional hoses. The SSV has a very comfortable platform. Ventrac has designed a platform on the back of the machine that you stand on that actually has a cushion to it to prevent leg fatigue when your operators are using the Ventrac SSV. It also has a comfortable pad on the front here that you can lean against while you're operating the machine. This machine is set up with really easy to use controls on the top of the machine. You simply have your forward and backwards controls, and they also use these controls for steering the machine. The handle on the right side here, this joystick control allows the blade to go up and down. It also allows the angling of the blade. And then of course you have your parking brake on the side here. The Kawasaki engine that is used in these machines is a carbureted engine. So there's a choke on the side here. You have your throttle on the top, your PTO, which you would use to engage a broom, for example, or a snowblower attachment. And then you have your light switch on this side, and then you have your full hour meter and display in this cluster right here, which would also show you hours, fuel, and battery life. Your ignition key is off to the left-hand side here, and they do give you a port and 12-volt port on this side here, which is a USB attachment, so you can charge a phone or use different accessories in the machine. For easy access to the back of the machine, again, you have your fuel tank here, fuel gauge, so very easy to find when you need to refuel the machine. This really is a great, powerful machine, moves snow at a great rate, and would be a great addition to anybody's fleet of equipment. So guys, there's a brief overview of the SS Ventrac Sidewalk Clearing Machine. We carry these at WPE Landscape Equipment. If you require more information, certainly give us a call or check us out at wpeequipment.ca. Thank you for watching.